Fix the bugs. Syntax. My first kata. Very cool. I'm going to go with Donald because I don't think I can pronounce the rest of that. Let's get to it. In this kata, you should create a program that returns the following values. False, if either A or B or both are not numbers. A mod B plus B mod A if both arguments are numbers. You may assume the following. If A and B are both numbers, neither of A or B will be 0. Okay, whoa, hey, there's that zoom thing that happens on Mac. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to pretend to solve it by saying is instance. So if A is an instance of an integer and is instance B is an instance of an integer, semicolon, then what I want you to do is return A, B, plus B mod A. Oops, mod A. Mod A. Cool. Otherwise, return false. Okay, make sure we're doing this right. Return false if either A or B are not numbers. So we're saying if is a number, then do this stuff here, which is A mod B plus B mod A. Okay, A mod B plus B mod A. Very cool. Is instance. And we're going to see a bunch of green. We didn't see any greens. Did I spell something wrong? Is INSTANCE. Now we're going to see a bunch of green. Right? Okay, cool. A bunch of green. Now we're going to see a bunch of fail. Okay. Why? Well, issue first is, I had actually planned on one of these tests giving us a clue in here. I don't actually see that, but we have a good clue down here as well. 0 division error, integer division, or modulo by 0. But wait, you say. If A and B are both numbers, neither A or B will be 0. We checked if they are numbers. How is it that we divided by 0? Great question. Interesting answer. Notice in the tests, we're getting true and true, hello, and I don't know why we'd pass a dictionary, but sure, an array and a string. These are the interesting things here. Let's check this out. Okay, so if this is a little Python REPL here, is instance, so 10, right, is clearly an int, so we should say true. It is instance, and I don't know, I think I'm fairly confident this is going to return false because that's a string. Okay, is instance, INSTANCE, instance. So if I pass, say, true, right, since this is a Boolean, we should get false, except that we get true, and if we pass false, will we get false? Actually, no, we'll get true. Because true, I'm not 100% confident this is run over from the C programming language, but in C, so Booleans are just 0 and 1, and in Python, look at that, and look at that. What do you know? True and false are actually just 0 and 1. So what we actually want is something like this, right? So if we're going to say type A is int and type B equals int, this, and notice that type true is bool, not int. Why type catches it, right? And is instance. I'm guessing this has something to do. It's got to have something to do with some prototypal inheritance. Is that a thing, or is that just a JavaScript thing? Maybe I'm confused. It's got to have something to do with some sort of inheritance, I would imagine. But let's try this now. I suspect we'll be closer. We passed all 50 tests, and that is a very interesting learning. So, well, we got to see the one-liner, of course. Be there not a one-liner. This is basically exactly what we did. You don't necessarily, else is implied, right? You're saying if, had this condition not been true, you just skipped it anyway. So you don't necessarily need the else. Try except, okay. Oh, okay. Nice. Except you're a division error. That's clever. Yeah, that's, I mean, actually should be 2 lines, 3 lines, but whatever. Cool. It looks like we more or less matched the kind of top one-liner solution. This is just craziness. There's not a downvote for that, but okay. Very cool. That was a fun kata. It was good learning about is instance versus bool. This is something, I still need to work out the exact differences and why this is. Maybe somebody can hit up that comment section and tell me why. It was good. It was fun. I'll be seeing you sooner than later for another one. Peace.